What's up, everybody? This is Prince Robert Onyejiaka with Prince Tech TV. In this discussion, I'm speaking with Farzan Jafeh. So he's a data scientist and he's also an entrepreneur. So he puts together data analytics teams, leads them, and delivers data analytic products to several different organizations across several different industries. Some of his core areas of focus are machine learning, big data processing, and also artificial intelligence. In this discussion, he talks a lot about his future insights as it relates to AI, machine learning, and big data processing. But he also talks about how to practically apply some data analytic techniques. So this is very great for people that are data scientists or just IT professionals trying to learn more about the world of data. Stay tuned. I know that you'll enjoy it. Hey, Farzan, how you doing today?
Hello. Hi, Robert. How are you?
I'm doing pretty good. I really appreciate you coming on to Prince Tech TV and kind of sharing with the viewers a lot of knowledge as a entrepreneur and data scientist. And let's go ahead and start. Could you tell us a little bit about yourself?
Oh, absolutely. Happy to be here. Thank you for inviting me. So, hi to you and everybody who's listening and watching. So about me. So my background is in mathematics, and I've been in the data science and analytics field maybe for about 10 years now. And I've been doing consulting, project management on the hands-on part, doing all the analytics, dashboarding, machine learning algorithms, what they call artificial intelligence, and the predictive analytics, proactive, prescriptive, and industries that have been active, telecom, supply chain, healthcare a little bit, financial institutes, and having fun. That's just.
So pretty much you've applied analytics to various amount of different industries, and that's pretty impressive. So now that brings me to my next question. I want to talk about a couple of topics within analytics with you, and one of them being what types of AI solutions and experience in the past have you noticed between the past and I guess present? So what do you think that's different between what was taking place back then and now?
So this could be because of, very good question. I think in the past, all the experiences that I had was based on my previous experiences before that. So I try to do the justice in this regard. My first project came from Craigslist because I wanted to pay rent. But now the things that I'm doing are a lot different. But the patterns that I see about, for example, 10 years ago, the kind of machine learning algorithms and dashboards and the kind of solutions that companies were using, considering I was at the beginning of the journey on my path, it was less towards production, heavy on dashboards, heavy on indexing and having forecasting, having smaller solutions versus now things, at least in the past 5 years, 4 years, I see more towards automation, faster, because C-levels, they realize the power of usage of data and how they can have predictive analytics. And it's just automatically, it's not really declining on dashboards, but it's more heavier and richer on the side of prescriptive analytics and being proactive towards future events, considering that it's everything is happening much faster. That's what I see.
Okay. So you're thinking that the speed in which to get results using analytics is faster. So we're able to automate or get the information quicker. Like, your C-suite executives, they look at, for instance, like a Tableau dashboard,
Mhm.
gives you a very high level of what's going on within an organization. That data feeds that dashboard. So is that what you're saying? Like you're able to see the stories or the picture, the painting much clearer. And is that where you're?
So in regards to speed, along this line, of course, dashboard can show a lot of factors and a lot of KPIs and a lot of stories. But I also see that, let's just 10 years ago, everything was like a pilot. And the
Okay.
C levels, they were testing. They didn't have a lot of their data management in place, so they had to, it was a very slow process. Now here we go with data, now here we go building an engine. Things could take about like 6 months to develop.